I've been using WeTransfer for years to share large files with people I work with. Let me tell you, it has saved me hours of time and headaches. To help you better understand the platform, I'm going to walk you through each important step so you'll be sharing files in no time. Make sure you stick around until the end, as I'll also be sharing some essential tips I've picked up from all my years of using this platform. Hello and welcome to another CloudWords.net video. My name is Mauricio and today I'm going to show you how to send files using WeTransfer. Before we get into the good stuff, just a quick reminder to please subscribe to our channel, hit the like on the video, and leave a comment. It really helps get more eyes on our content. First, let's talk about creating your account. It's super easy and only takes a few seconds. Simply head over to WeTransfer.com, click the sign up in the top right corner. You'll first need to choose if you want a free or a paid account, and after that, enter your name, email, and create a password. That's it. Once you're logged in, you'll arrive at your dashboard where you can start sending files right away. If you only want to share a handful of photos or a short video, I believe a free account will be enough for you. Free users get up to 2 GB of file space each time they share their files. And sharing files is easy. Here's what you need to do. Click the Upload Files icon and select the files from your computer. Be sure to type in the email of the recipient. You can share files with multiple recipients and add a message to add more of a personal touch to the file you're sharing. One thing we like about the free version is the ability to track your transfers. You can see when your recipient receives and downloads the files, helping you know they got what you sent them. I should say that other than the size of the files you can share, the free account does have other limitations. All files expire after 7 days, and there aren't as many security features as you'll get on a paid account. We'll talk about those shortly. If you're someone who shares large files, I recommend upgrading to WeTransfer Pro. It costs $12 a month on an annual subscription, and in my opinion, it's totally worth it. The process of sharing files is exactly the same, but let's talk about those extra features right now. For starters, users can send large 200 GB files, making it a great platform for photographers and also videographers. You also get 1 TB of storage space in permanent file storage, so your transfers never expire. Other features include a branding tab, which is a space where you can really customize your transfers with themes to make them more lively and personal. There's also password protection for your files, so you can enhance security and ensure the wrong eyes never get to see what you're sharing. I've been using WeTransfer Pro for client work for years, and these added features have been very much appreciated throughout that time. Okay guys, now time for some extra tips. They may seem a bit basic, but I promise you, they make life so much easier when you're sending files. First up, always double check the recipient's email before sending. The last thing anyone wants is a stranger seeing their files. Next, add a personal message to give context to the files. I find it's always good to put a personal and professional touch on your transfers, especially when transferring to people I am working with. Another tip is that I strongly recommend downloading the mobile apps. WeTransfer has apps for iOS and Android, so you can manage transfers on the go. The apps are super slick and easy to use. I actually prefer sending quick files from my phone since the process is so smooth and takes minimal effort and time. Last but not least, name your files. The more info you provide, the easier it is for the recipient to sort through the files after downloading them. They'll certainly appreciate you for it. That covers the very basics of using WeTransfer. If you find this video helpful, please let me know your thoughts, give it a thumbs up, give it a like, and also leave your comments down below. Also, do not forget there are other cloud storage options there that offer a much broader bandwidth of what you can use with your files. File synchronization, storage, backup, upload. Check out our channel for more options if you have a much larger need for file sharing and synchronization. See you in my next video. Bye-bye.